Shift the chain onto the smallest sprocket. Use needle nose pliers to remove the wire cap. Use a 5 mm hex key to loosen the screw that secures the shift cable. Pull out the shift cable. Pull out the outer shift cable. Separate the shift cable rubber stopper. Install the rubber stopper with the narrow end facing inwards. Install the outer shift cable with the stepped end facing inward. Thread the shift cable through the derailleur. Clip it into the cable groove. Tighten the screw after pulling the wire harness tight. Use crimping pliers to install the wire cap. Keep the chain rotating. If the chain jumps automatically, use the app to fine-tune the gears. If the chain skips upwards, click the minus sign for adjustment. If the chain skips downwards, click the plus sign for adjustment. Switch gears up and down to ensure the chain rotates normally. Check that there is no friction noise from the chain and no outward chain derailment.